Alright, y'all, so I'm about to give you guys an update. As of today, it is April 22nd. I just received a picture of another sample. I'm not going to go and send a text, but essentially for the Easy Meanings hat, or the Easy Meanings snapback, here's where we have an issue, okay? I talked to the manufacturer. Whenever I figured out what my final logo was going to be, it's going to be the line through it, not the two lines through the A. I went ahead and I sent that, and I thought we had an understanding that, hey, look, everything is going to be fine. It will get corrected. No, they literally made the sample and it has the wrong logo. Basically let them know that they made the wrong they used the wrong logo, and they're like, no, this is the right logo, please check again. So I had to send it and explain it. For those of you guys who are planning or thinking about starting your own clothing brand or just business in general, I guarantee you that you're gonna run into problems, and try to keep your composure. Like, the whole process of starting your own clothing brand or your own business, it is very stressful, especially trying to execute on your ideas when you don't know step by step how everything is going to play out. Another rule of thumb is please, you have to do this. I know it's going to cost more money and you might feel like you're wasting money, but you have to get samples from multiple manufacturers for whatever product it is that you're trying to make. Never just go with the first one. For my hats, or for the snapback, so far I've hit up 2. The first one, I literally heard from them that one day, and this is the only time that I heard from them. This is like the second time that I've heard from them. The second manufacturer, they have literally walked me through the process, sent me multiple invoices, been, almost keeping me updated daily, which for me, I really like that. I like to kind of know, like, okay, what's the progress looking like? How are things going? And they've just made the process very stress-free. So it's making me want to work with them more throughout the process, especially in the future. So this is just an update. Also, we have finalized on the design. I'll show you guys in probably the next clip. I know I'm talking a lot. I'll show you guys in the next clip what the shirts are looking like from the mock-ups and everything. And I ain't gonna lie. At first I hated it, but then after seeing it, I'm just like, I think it's different. I think a lot of people, especially people who are industry, wear graphic tees, stuff like that. I think they're gonna appreciate, the artwork and the detailing. So I'm excited to kind of see it. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next day. As you guys can see, it is April 23rd. I have yet another package right over here. It's for the blanks. And I realized another thing. I'm going to need to get a P.O. box just because I have the reselling series. And with that one, I don't get as many orders. But like with what I'm projecting to get with here, at least with the amount of inventory that I'm going to have, it's going to be smart for me to get a P.O. box. So I'm going to do that today. I have most of the artwork being done. I'm getting someone to just sharpen my logo, but right now we have the blanks. I'm excited because I'm hoping that these fit, and I also realized that I was going to do something different. I was only going to have sizes extra small through large because I'm just like, my blanks fit really oversized, but at the same time, for those people who wear XL, especially like the people who are taller than me, like 6'3", 6'4", 6'5", who may want that, I'm gonna need to have at least a few for them. So I'm gonna have sizes extra small, do extra large. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna divvy it up. But like for each size, there's gonna be like no more than 5, at least for this first drop. So I'm gonna try on the samples and we're gonna go ahead and just check this out. And I hope that you guys are enjoying this process. I'm really giving y'all the full behind the scenes from when I start this to when I'm about to launch this. So for those of you guys who, if anything, that are thinking about doing the same thing, bro, just know that you can do it, and just let this be a little bit of motivation. This is y'all really in my head right now. Alright guys, so hear me out. This is how I normally go for tees. Like, if you see this size, kind of box you on the shoulder. If you see, it kind of drops right over here. This is a size medium. So like, normally for me, this is how I would size up so I can get a large that fits like this, but this is a medium. The large drops down more to like right about here. So that's why I was curious about how the XL will fit. But this is nice. As you guys can see by the collar, it's thick. So whenever you have jewelry, it sits very well. As you guys can take a look at that. It's like 10-ounce cotton, so it's really high quality. Just from a blank standpoint, this is very nice. It's comfy, it's soft. I rock with this 100%. All right, and this is how the small fit. And just so you guys know, I'm 5'11". Usually wear size largest because I like them to feel oversized. This size small still doesn't feel that snug on me. But if you look at the neck is where I feel like this mug is choking me. You guys can also see how it grips my body more. But the length of it is still nice, which is what I like. So like based off of like the stuff that I would like in a shirt, I like the thick collar, like I've said it multiple times. You know, it has the drop shoulder effect. I like that. The description of it is heavyweight, but it doesn't feel like crazy heavy, which is something that I like. And this is basically what I'm gonna go with for sure. And bro, oh my gosh, I feel like once the graphics are on it, I was thinking about going with puff print, but I think I'm just gonna go with screen printing. I think it's gonna look really nice on this. And this is a small, bruh. And this is a small, so the extra small is probably gonna fit a whole lot more other people. The extra large is probably gonna fit a whole lot of people as well. So I'm just kind of taking these things step by step, but I'm really excited. I have another blank. I have some more blanks coming in from another company, but let's just take this into consideration. This same company, I've ordered 2 batches of blanks from them. I've gotten approved for wholesale, and the other company has still not sent me the 1 blank that I ordered, and that 1 blank by itself cost the same amount of money, cost more than each one of my batches. So it's really annoying. I'm probably gonna go with this company for the blanks, and the next step is just finalizing my design and going over to, you know, the screen printing manufacturers or companies so they can kind of do it. I got multiple people I want to try out to see if they're good, the quality and the people, so that I'm big on, because if I plan on working with them in the future, I want to have a good relationship off the rip. So yeah, that's what y'all see next. Alright guys, it's probably one of the coolest days ever. I've literally been driving around everywhere. You guys will see later on, I will take you on to like behind the scenes of some of like the manufacturing and whatnot. It's crazy to think we have gotten our first samples. I literally drove to like 5-6 different places, but we finally got it. I had to pay premium price, but check this out. Check that out. The freaking logo. And I'm telling y'all, bro, for those of you who end up ordering, you're gonna see like this high quality pieces, right? Alright, now wait for it. Literally the very this is the very first sample for the Easy Meanings t-shirt. And look at that. Now this one isn't as good. It's a DTG and it comes up differently on you know, different type of shirts, especially like the black one. But this one, you guys cannot lie, this is tough. Ain't nothing like this on the freaking market. This is tough. Easy freaking clothing, bruh. Come on now. Look at the logo. Y'all see the logo. Look at the detail work. I'll let you guys go ahead and look at it. Look at the freaking detail and look at the meaning of the brand. Work hard until the things you want in life come easy. The hand getting ready to pull off that mask. Time to work. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is a size small right over here. This is a size large. Bro, as you guys can tell by my reaction, I'm happy as heck, bro. Just seeing it finally is like, okay, this real life, this real deal, this is different, bro. I ain't see nothing like this. Like, this is different. The detailing, the quality of the pieces, to what I'm gonna do for the packaging, to how I plan on marketing it. It's just like, I want to give the full experience, bro. Like, I want to have a great customer service, great quality, which I think that we have, and I want to be able to push the meaning of the brand. You know what I mean? Bro. And it's like, y'all really in my head, bro. I really hope that y'all actually appreciate this. Like, as of right now, the date is April 24th. And April 24th, we got our first real sample. Let me try this on. Let me try it on. Bro, I'm literally wearing my own clothes right now. Like you guys don't realize this is surreal. Like, I'm wearing my own freaking piece, bro. As you can see, large, like it fits oversized. As y'all can see, Like this is large. So like my thing is, if you normally go for like, I usually up a size, I usually go for large. This is how the large fits. Let's see the back. Moment of truth. Hey! Hey! Turn me up. Turn me up. Hey, your boys cannot lie, dog. Hey, I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what nobody say. Ain't no one on YouTube showing this type of stuff. We certified. We is freaking certified. This is it. Easy, the brand, bro, this is it. Y'all seeing this? You guys are gonna see this video a day before I launch. Cop. Don't have every last piece. This is live. Bro. It's raps. It's raps. You guys don't understand. This took me so long. Oh my gosh. It took me so long for this, bro. I'm proud, man. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, we have yet another package right over here. So quick little nice transition. Elegant fashion, as you guys can see. We have 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, XL. This is going to be really nice whenever we get the clear poly mailers. So this way I can put the sizing on it. I won't have to be worried like, oh, am I giving the person the right size, the wrong size? Because it's all going to be labeled. So if y'all need this, it's going to be linked down below. Alright guys, so it is April 26th and we have yet another package from Uline. I'm going to get this one unboxed and let you guys see it. Alright, so we have the black poly mailers, and I'm not even gonna cap. These mugs look huge, but I guess the cool thing about it is that when you take out one, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Of course, I had to get black, had to be a little bit different, a little bit more unique. So as you guys can see, black poly mailer right over here. We're gonna use a Warren Lotus piece for an example. As you guys can see, it can fit in clearly. We can also wrap it like this. So essentially, it'll be like that. Poly mailer, custom sticker. Shipping label tag. And shipping label tag will be on one side. Sticker will be on the other side. So, for one, you know, I'm pretty happy with this one. I think we're good. And on top of that, this one can fit multiple. So we're good. And then we have yet another box. Alright, so the next thing that we have the poly mailers. They are 12 by 15. And it's crazy because this is a 1,000 pack. As you can see, this quantity right here is 100. I'll open up for you guys. We're going to see if our product will fit in. So I think we wasted our money on this batch. It's actually so annoying. Let me show you guys. I don't think there's any way of closing it. Like, as you guys can see, it's not like you can fold it over. It's just like a clear bag. Which, I was looking for something more of like this. Where it's like you can put it in and fold it over. So this is an L. This is a freaking L, bruh. It is what it is. We will move. Alright, y'all. So as of today is April 27th. And I'm just going to give you guys some updates. One, we got rejected for the Chase Ink Unlimited card twice. For those of you guys who do not know, basically like in business or how people get to travel for free, whenever you have like a circulation of money coming through, let me just break it down. Okay, so long story short, the card will help me in these 2 ways. One, the Chase Ink cards have a higher credit limit. So let's say they give me a $10,000 credit limit. Theoretically, I have $10,000 of available cash that I could use straight towards the business for scaling, products, and all that stuff. And this is gonna be very convenient. Like I might be able to, I can go ahead and max that card out real quick, use it for the business, and then make it right back. Theoretically, right? And then two, for those of you guys who don't know, business cards have better bonuses, and on top of that, in business, you get to basically get a reward for your revenue, not necessarily just your profits. So let's say this year I spent $30,000 on this brand, I will be able to get cash back on the $30,000, despite the fact that my profit is not going to be that 30%. That's going to include expenses and just the cost of running the business and whatnot, but I'll still be able to get a reward from that, and I can use those rewards to redeem for, like, you know, a free trip. So I'm gonna just let you guys know, It's kind of annoying because I have 4 hard inquiries on my account, and whenever you get to around 6, that's when things start to get iffy. And the thing that's annoying is that the credit score that they ran is that I have a 716 credit score right now, and that's way above whatever they need. I think you only need like a 700, so 60 points higher. But the reason for rejecting me is that my credit history is too low, the business is too new, and you know, just the entry level stuff, which is annoying, you know what I mean? Because Chase loves rejecting me the first time. But I promise you guys, we're gonna get the freaking card before this year ends, because like it's just a whole process, bro. So today we're gonna order the bulk order of blanks. As you guys saw yesterday, I made the mistake and I ordered the wrong clear poly mailer bags. I got ones that aren't like sealable, so like literally that whole box, like check it, so freaking annoying, bro. See, this whole box is pointless. Like I can't use this box for anything, and this costs like $50-$60, and now the one that I want with the correct sizing is gonna cost $81. So, I mean, in the grand scale of things, it's not the biggest deal, but the biggest thing that I've learned with business so far is that nothing is going to go according to the plan. Like, you can write it out. It's great to have the plan. You need to have the plan so you know the direction of where you want to go. But, like, when it comes to execution of everything, you don't necessarily know. Like, it's not going to go the way that you think in your head. It's really more about how you deal with the obstacles, like how I'm dealing with, you know, wasting money on this, or how I'm dealing with getting rejected twice. Like, they rejected me the first time. I saw the little message. I called for reconsideration. They rejected me again in the reconsideration after I gave them like a better explanation of my situation and whatnot, so I can go ahead and get the card. But it's not the end of the world. Like, I still have close to a $4,000 credit limit. I can still access $4,000. It's just, you know, I'm just trying to maximize things. With that being said, we're going to get the blanks today. We're going to get the clear poly bags, and I will try to get the stickers, and then we'll be in a pretty comfortable position. But that's going to be a lot of capital. That's going to be like a rack just spent right there. So it's just, this is a big risk, bro. And for all of you who support it and actually like it, like, bro, peep the work, bro. Like, this ain't no gimmick, bro. This is very unique, bro. This is 10.5 ounce cotton. Like, this, that heavy weight, you know what I'm saying? Thick rim on the collar. We have it in white. We also have it in black. And then I have one more that I'm really excited for you guys to see. It's going to be called Africa's Greatest Fighters. You guys already know who they are. We're talking about UFC right now. We got the big 3, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing a little cool take on the shirt as well. And then we're just staying tuned with the hats. I'm proud. And I hope that you guys enjoy. I think each and every single one of you guys who do order, I think you'll love it, bro. Like literally, like, my thing is, like, if I ain't gonna wear it, I don't think anyone else gonna wear it. It's great quality. I think it has really nice designs. It's gonna have great packaging. I'll make sure I have great customer service. I'm gonna make sure I have great marketing for it, you know, using TikTok and Instagram, Twitter, everything, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. I've been venting, but this is April 27th, and it's just a little update. So let's get it.